Hello students, let's continue. Class 4, subject EVS, topic feeling around with eyes shut, subtopic good touch and bad touch. Today we are going to talk about the good touch and bad touch. Means you will get about the system and the knowledge by which you can find out then which type of touch is good and which type of touch is bad. We like to be hugged by our parents, our brothers and sisters and people who are very close to us. Normally we live in our family, so the all family members like to each other and love to each other. So definitely we like to us when some our family member or the close person hug us or embrace us. We always like to it. We feel good when we get a pat on our back by our teachers or our family members. Normally, the daily routine or the normally working days, whenever you do something good, your parents and your teachers always encourage you. For it, normally they give you a pat at your backside. It is also we feel good. However, there are some touches that makes us feel uncomfortable. These type of touches feel us good. We feel good always when we get that type of response. But even some type of touches that in which we feel uncomfortable. So whenever you get the touch in which you feel uncomfortable, that is in the category of wrong thing. We should keep away from feel whose touch makes us uncomfortable. Whenever you get a touch and you feel uncomfortable, always remember you must try to keep away from that people who are giving you touch and you are feeling uncomfortable. If someone touches us where we do not want to be touched, then it is a bad touch. Always remember, whenever someone trying to touch at your body where you don't want to be touched, that type of touch is known as bad touch. Means a touch which makes you feel uncomfortable. You don't like to get it. Even that person or that people is trying to do that. That type of touch is bad touch. We should always tell our parents about it. Whenever anyone is trying to do the bad touch at you and you are feeling uncomfortable, always inform your parents about the matter. Always tell them that somebody is trying to feel you uncomfortable by the bad touch. So when you will tell your parents about it, they can guide us properly and keep us safe. Always remember, in the whole earth, only your parents are the person who always like to do everything is in your favor. And the second number, the teachers. Family members, teachers. These are two normally people who always do the work in your favor. And the first number is parents. So always whenever you get a bad touch, always inform your parents. They will keep you safe and they will guide you properly what you have to do in that condition. So it is always remember, whenever you get those type of things, you should always tell your parents. And the touch which make you feel comfortable, make you feel good, that is the bad touch, then don't worry, nothing is wrong. So these were the points which were make you difference between the good touch and bad touch. Good touch that feel us comfortable and bad touch that feel us uncomfortable. When you will feel good, that is the good touch. When you feel bad, that is the bad touch. So you have to inform your parents about the thing. So these are the points. You have to learn it and write it in your EVS activity copy. So your homework is learn and write these points in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.